Hi guys, your girl's back at the Orlando Premium Outlets, I'm back at the Vineland Premium Outlets in Orlando, Florida, and I'm about to head into the Disney Character Warehouse store, and I'm gonna see what's in there, see what's new, see if there's any price changes, and I'm just gonna try to show you the whole store if it's not too busy. Alright, 10:28 in the morning, there's a line to get into the outlet, but it shouldn't be too long of a wait. They just let a bunch of people in, so I should be in the next group that goes in. But New Year, let's see if we have some new stuff. Alright, they have some cat toys and a cat scratcher, and we've got some cat bowls and some toys. No new. Oh, wait a minute. Yep, this one's a new one. Minnie Mouse. Yep, this is new. $178.99. I want to say I seen him last time too. Oh, this Minnie's new. This one's $149. This one's cute. I like this one. I wonder what the inside looks like. Pink? You want to think? Pink? Yep, pink. They have Halloween costumes still for the pets for $12.99. And this here is a little hanger. Pet lead holder. Oh, it holds your pet leashes. And what is it? $9.99. That's cute. I like that. I wouldn't use it for Obi though. I'd use it for me. And then they have some critters here from Star Wars for $12.99. Alright, we're going to start over here with the ears. These are $3.99. These are not ears, these are headbands, and they light up. We have Sully. I don't know. I'm lost. Mr. Freeze, it looks like, or it looks like Mr. Freeze, if you ask me. Oh, there's a Magnificent here. I do know that one. And then when it comes to the Halloween Oogie Boogie bag, this is Loungefly. This is new. How much is this? $35. Let's see what the inside looks like. Alright, just a purple inside. I can't really get to it. They've got it hooked up. But $35 for that bag. Winter hats, some Halloween shirts, only in small and extra small, $12.99. Oogie Boogie spirit jerseys for $35. Halloween ears, $3.99. Some more Halloween shirts. These ones look like they're big. Yeah, 3X. They just have the big sizes in those. Alright, what is this? A wrap of some sort with the villains on it. And same old Halloween shirts. These are cute though. $12.99. Boo to you. I like that. But only it's got to be B-U. B-O-U. This whole wall here is Halloween. We got Halloween bowls. You've got some lounge flies. There is the, Jungle Cruise lounge fly down that way. We have some Halloween crooks still. So a lot of Halloween. And these are new pants. Oh, these are leggings. They're capris. I like these. How much are they? $12.99. They still have pretty much the same stuffed animals here. Some more of the Halloween bowls. Halloween soap. They're finally starting to run low on the Neumu stuff for $1.99. $7.99 pop sockets, and they have new ones. Like this one's new. That's new. All of them are new. What am I talking about? for $7.99. And they're interchangeable too. I have one that has the orange bird on it, but it's the orange bird head, and I can take it off and change it out for a Mickey one if I wanted to. They still have the Stony Clover Lane fanny packs for $113, but they still have a few of these left for $14.99, which I think these are adorable. I would think about using this. There's some Minnie Mouse mugs, Mickey mugs, but they got the Mickey canisters for $20. Oh, blue tie-dye Crocs. I didn't see these at the park or at the Springs. For $25. I wonder where these were at for the past 12 months. Get inside the store. It's really not that busy. It's just there's a lot of people balled up in like one area. But some new stuff, some old stuff. Clothes. There's still a lot of Star Wars clothes. That's what all this is, Star Wars. So if you like Star Wars, there's plenty of it. Even some shorts. May the Force be with us. Oh, and Star Wars is on that part of the leg. These have pockets and a back pocket for $12.99. Men's shirts. And they got some jean jackets. That's from the Electrical Parade. And then there's a different... That one must be from the Pride collection because of the Pride stamp on it. Pride shirts. Still some Pride Star Wars hats. These Star Wars hats have pins on them. They're $7.99. Oh, and you can get Princess Leia's buttons. I love that. Marvel all here. Oh, look at that. There's a pair of shorts here from the Electrical Parade in a size 3X. Some other sweatpants. Oh, these have been here. They still have some of the Lounge Fly lunchbox bags. And I said this was Pirates. I mean, Jungle Cruise, but it's not. It's the Tiki. Here's another Stony Clover Lane bag for $208. And then you've got the Stony Clover bags that are $77. And it's Gus. I know that there's a flounder in here too. There he is. Stony Clover backpacks going for $150 or $149. With tax, it's $150. There's a Spirit jersey that says, "May the Force be with us." They still have some of the blue and white collection plates here, and bowls and napkins and pottery. And then there is Winnie the Pooh light up. It lights up. I don't know what color it lights up. I don't want to pull the little tabs. Look at the adorable Bambi dress for little girls. Oh my goodness. $14.99, but it is adorable. $15.99, little girl. They do have some ears. Oh, look at the little tiny jean jacket up there. I want to say they have a lot of those shirts. I'm not even sure what it's from. Anybody know what this is from? Oh, it's a Marvel shirt. But there's a ton of them. Oh my goodness, look at how adorable these are.
Oh, can I have that shirt?
Wall hurts. $21, but those are cute. We have some toys, of course, some Marvel. Little boy section over here. There's not too many shirts here. There's some costumes or some set pieces, maybe. Oh, they still have the remote control for $21. Alright guys, that was the Disney Character Warehouse store. It was pretty busy, but not too busy. It was a long wait to hold in line. it was a long wait in line. So that's the biggest holdup, is the lines. If there's a long line. But other than that, it wasn't too bad getting in and out. So that's it for this adventure. And we'll go on to our next one, okay guys? So as always, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.